Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide and explanation on how to build a restaurant website in Squarespace. So from the home menu, you will have to click See Templates, and then you will just have to wait for it to load, and then you will have to select one design for restaurants. So first you will have to click search restaurants, and then you will just have to click next, and then you will just have to check in the boxes on what you would want to do with your website, and then click the next button again, and then just you will have to choose a template that is suitable for your restaurant. And then what you will have to do after you pick your template, you will have to go to pages and then add home, menu, about, and contact pages. You will use form blocks for reservations, and then you will choose menu blocks for food items and map blocks for location. Customize fonts, colors, and images, and then you will just have to click save. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped.